In this part of the tutorial, I will demonstrate how you can combine and separate 3D bodies. So basically, if you just look at this part, if I just click on this part, so this is the part and there are two bodies. So here, there are two parts of the 3D object in one body. Now what I will do is, first I will combine them. So if I just click on combine, then target body and tool body. Select solid bodies to combine with the target body. So this is my target body. If I click on here, so one selected. Now the tool body would be the bottom part. So this is my tool body. Now combine, okay. Here you can see the 4-part 3D object become one body. Now how do I split them? To split them, you need a plane. So what I will do is, if I just go at the origin, if I turn on the origin, I can see a plane here, but I need to make sure it is on the right place. It is just on the bottom of the body. So if I look at this way, I can see it is a little bit up. The 3D body itself is a little bit up. Now I will create a plane. First, let's click. Let's hide the origin point. This is our combined body. Now I will split this body in 4 parts. To do that, I will click on split body. So if I click on it, it will ask for the body to split, which I have already selected. Now as a splitting tool, it should be a plane. So what I will do is, I will make a plane first. So offset a plane from the top of the bed to 200 millimeter, which is the exact distance I have drawn the box. The box height is 200 millimeter. So if I click on it, there's a plane created just top of the first box. Here you can see a plane has already been created. Now if I click on it again, the split body, so it will ask for me body to split. I choose the whole body. Then the splitting tool, click on it. Okay. Here you will see the body become 2 parts. So body 2 and body 3. So body 2 is the top part, bottom part, and body 3 is the top part. Now let's divide these two as well. To do that, we will repeat the same procedure, but before that we need a plane in between. So if I just offset a plane 200 millimeter from this one, so 200 millimeter, another plane has been created. Now split body, body to split, this one, splitting tool, the top plane, click on it, okay. So now another body has been created. Now the last one, I need to make another plane. So offset from this one 200 millimeter up, then split body, click the whole body, splitting tool, the plane, okay. And here you can see 4 body has been created. So this is how you combine and split 3D bodies.